This tutorial is going to walk you through how to save a file to your OneDrive or your iPad. This is helpful if you want to have a backup file of your saved work just in case something doesn't save when you submit your assignment, or if you are working in an area where there's no internet connection so that you can download the assignment, work on it without internet, and then resubmit it when you reestablish an internet connection. So when I'm looking at my assignment, the first thing I'm going to do is open up the resource and I'm going to save it. So first, if I want to save it so that I can work on it at home where I might not have an internet connection, I'm going to save to files, and instead of saving it to my OneDrive, which is normally what we always want to do, I'm going to save it to my iPad. This way I can pull it up even if I don't have internet. Now that this is saved on my iPad, I can edit and it will open up in Word and I can start completing the assignment. So once my assignment is complete, it's going to save automatically, and I can always check by hitting the three dots to make sure that autosave is on. So once it's all done, I can go back to Teams, and if I was working on it at home without an internet connection, I will now need to add work, upload from this device, browse, and choose that document. So now I have the blank template, that's the first one on the screen, and the second one is the completed work that I worked on at home without internet. If I want to save this file to my OneDrive, just so that I have a backup of my finished work, I can open it and save a copy, choose my OneDrive, and hit save. Now, if for any reason my teacher receives my assignment and it's not completed, or there's work missing but I know that I've done it, I have that backup file to be able to send to my teacher with all the work completed. And I can do that following the same steps by adding work, but this time going to OneDrive, choosing the assignment, and letting it load. With either way, whether you're pulling it from the device or pulling it from OneDrive, once it's uploaded, we can turn in the assignment.